How to submit a Return Material Authorization (RMA) request. If you require to send the device for a service or repair by Honeywell authorized technician, you will be required to raise an RMA in Honeywell RMA portal. You can visit the RMA portal website at honeywell-service.com. Kindly register by creating new account. Fill all the details in the registration page. It is mandatory to fill all the fields with the red asterisk and zip code. Click register and you will receive an email that the relevant team is reviewing your registration, and you will be notified once your registration has been approved. You will receive a second email with your login credentials. Please use the credentials to log in the website honeywell-service.com. Create a new RMA. Proceed to select repair issue. Select yes if you have a technical support case number and no if you do not have a technical support case number. If you do have a technical support case number, you may select the reason based on your device judgment. Please enter the cause number and the date the ticket was created. If you do not have a technical support case number, you may select the reason based on your inspection. You will be redirected to the Create RMA page, and please fill all the details and provide invoice and pictures. Once you have filled all the details, you can click Add and create the RMA. An address will be displayed upon creating the RMA, and you may ship your device to the address provided. Honeywell service team will assist you further. For more assistance, please visit the link below for support. sbs.honeywell.com/us/n/support/return material authorization/productivity. Thank you for watching.